Good morning children. Welcome to the online class. In this class, we will learn and we will discuss about our universe and the earth as per the new text. In this lesson, we will learn about our universe, solar system, our environment, factors of pollution and disasters. We will discuss in this lesson. First, we will discuss about universe. What is the universe? This word is derived from the Latin word universum. What is that? Universum. That which means all the matters and all about the space. In this universe, what includes? Our earth, our solar system and galaxy. All these are included in the universe. There are number of galaxies in the universe. It involves indefinite number, infinite number. We can't say how many are the galaxies in this. And in this, the science which deals with this universe, we call it as a astronomy. Astronomy. In Russia, it is only called as a cosmology. Cosmology. The person who deals with astronomy, we call him as a astronomer. And the person who deals with cosmology, they call it as a cosmologist. Astronomer and cosmologist. The scientific research about this universe first proposed by one of the Italian astronomer who is named as Galileo. He did all the work with this one device by using one device, microscope. Microscope. That means he used the device microscope. This Galileo, as per the Galileo theory, it has indefinite temperature and indefinite density it consists. In this, we have our sun, solar system, planets, and all these are there. Now, origin of the universe. Origin of the universe. Origin of the universe was revealed by the Big Bang theory. What is that? Big Bang theory. It was proposed by Georges Lemaitre. It was proposed by Big Bang theory was proposed by Georges Lemaitre. As per him, it was happened by a tiny atom. How the universe was formed means it was happened by the explosion of a tiny atom. 13.7 billion years ago it was happened. Slowly it was shy and it became as a small pieces. By that only these galaxies and all this formed. Why it was happened? This tiny atom has 1,25,000 more than galaxies are there in the universe. More than 1,25,000. That means just like our solar system, so many are there now in the galaxies. Like that, so many are there. Our universe is expanding 70 kilometers per second. That means it is expanding. We can't say it is this much. It has a no definite area or this much it is belong. We can't say this is that much infinite. We can't define also. That much vast is there. How it was in this galaxy? How far they are? We cannot, because the distance of this is calculated by a light year. What is a light year? The distance from the one planet, one celestial body to another. That is only light year we used to call. The speed of it is 1,20,000 kilometers per second. The light travels in this speed. And in this, next topic is solar system. What is there in the solar system? We will. This was formed 4.6 billion years ago. It was formed 4.6 billion years ago. To know about this solar system, there are some theories are given. Some of the theories are geocentric theory and heliocentric theory. Geocentric theory and heliocentric theory. Geocentric theory was proposed by Egyptian astronomer Ptolemy. It was proposed by Ptolemy. As per his theory, our Earth, which is a part of our solar system, is at the center. That means, as per him, the Earth is in the center, and whatever the celestial bodies along with the sun are moving around us, around the Earth. That means, all these celestial bodies are moving around the sun. Earth. Moving around the Earth. As per the term. After another theory is there, heliocentric theory. It was proposed by Copernicus Nicholas. Who was that? Copernicus Nicholas. As per this theory, which was proposed by Nicholas, the sun is at the center, and all the planets which belong to the solar system moving around its sun. That means here Earth is at the center as per the geocentric, and here the sun is in the center, and all the planets are moving around its sun. All the celestial bodies which belong to the solar system. There are so many discussions are going on. It was going on, and along with the Earth, 7 more planets are moving around the sun. Totally 8 planets are moving around the sun. 8 planets are moving around the sun, and in this solar system, where do we live, the Earth is the only planet where the life is possible. Because it is neither close nor far. The conditions are favorable for the life on this Earth. And these planets are formed by the gases which are released from the stars. In the next class, we will learn the remaining part of the lesson. Thank you, children.